Yes, yes, yes. Now I can hear you. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Yeah, everything is fine. I'm pretty well. And what about you?
I'm good too. I'm good too.
Yeah,
Okay. So we'll begin, right?
yeah,
Uh,
of course.
so basically, my name is Anmol Sidhu. All right.
All right.
And what we'll do is so this is how the sessions at Clappingo usually work, right?
Yeah,
So we'll have a conversation, and wherever I feel that you could have used a better word, you're making some mistake, I'll stop you and I'll correct you. So over time, what will happen is that you'll realize the areas that you're making mistakes in, and your English will improve. All right.
sure,
Uh,
ma'am.
First thing, tell me what are your major problem areas in regards to spoken English?
Yeah, actually, my problem is that when I start speaking English, yeah, it's a good. But while just talking within a half an hour, within an hour, sometimes I get stuck while just talking. I cannot get the appropriate word. Yeah, so this is my problem. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So you say that you are fluent, but if you're talking for a long amount of time, you sort of get stuck,
Yeah,
right?
exactly. Yeah. I
Okay,
am able to speak English. There is no doubt. I can easily to communicate with anyone easily.
okay, okay. So for the next couple of minutes, we'll just have a random conversation. Pretend that it's like you don't have to be very formal. Just have a normal conversation with me, like you would meet a friend and have a conversation. Okay.
Of
And post
course.
that, at the end of the session, I'll tell you that what you could do to sort of improve on and work on your current English state, so that you in the near future you improve, right?
Okay.
Okay, that works. All right. So first, tell me a little bit about yourself.
Yeah. Here I'm Mitlesh and I'm from Bihar and I'm a student and I have done my graduation with science stream. And my paper was mathematics honors. And presently, I do teach English, how to speak English. And apart from that, I am preparing for SSC examination. And
Okay.
if I talk about my hobbies, I love to read book. I love to talk in English. I love to meet new people, and
Okay.
sometimes I love to play outdoor game. Yeah,
Okay.
that's
Okay. What outdoor games?
like cricket, badminton, etc.
All right. All right. So which one do you prefer? Are you a cricket fan or are you more of a badminton person?
No, I am a fan. I am a big fan of cricket. I love to watch cricket.
Okay. 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 So where did you do your graduation from? From your hometown only?
Yeah, yeah, my hometown. I have done my graduation uh, from Bihar, and the university name is LNMU, Lalit Narayan Mithla University. Yeah, it
Okay.
is. Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Interesting. And you did maths honors.
yeah, I have done my you know uh, graduation with mathematics honors. I'm the student of mathematics.
Okay. Okay. See, I hated mathematics. I
Yeah,
left mathematics back in 10th only. I took up biology.
yeah, but I love to solve mathematics because I have a much interest in mathematics and as
All
well as
right.
English.
Okay, okay. It's a good thing, you know. If you should have a couple of subjects that you're good at, and you also enjoy doing. Like for me, I never mathematics was just a chore to me. Every time I saw the maths book, I was like, "Am I supposed to do this? How will I do this?" Yeah, but
Okay.
it's good. It's good. It's interesting also. There's not a lot of people who take up maths as a subject, specifically
Yeah,
as an honor subject.
yeah, exactly. They take it. It's a very difficult subject. And they
Yeah,
can't
yeah.
solve it. Yeah, because mathematics is I think this is a failing. Okay, if you feel that I'm good at mathematics, then you can easily to solve it. Yeah.
Right, right, right. Okay, okay. Okay, interesting aspect. Next time I have a math problem, I'll try to keep that in mind.
Exactly,
Okay,
exactly.
okay. So tell me a little bit about your city. Like, what is great? What do you not like about it? What do you like about it?
Yeah, I love to live in my city and where I am born. and I'm pretty well happy with my city. And but sometimes I face some problem, like yeah, environment. We do not get the right environment. I always love to sit and love to listen a peace environment, but it is very difficult to just get for me. So yeah, that is. And my I really love my city.
Okay. Okay. So you were born and brought up in the same city, in one city only?
Yeah, I'm originally from Bihar, and currently I'm also living in Bihar.
Okay. So did you ever think to, move out and, go somewhere else to some other place? Did you ever have that thought?
Yeah, let me tell you, I have been to Delhi as well two
Okay.
times, and
Okay.
I have been to Delhi two times, and I did see the culture of Delhi and the way
Mm-hmm.
of the people they are speaking. I have seen
Mm-hmm.
all the things, and I love to move from Bihar, but still there is COVID-19, so that is why I can't go, uh, because I know vaccine has come, but however the situation is not going well. Okay, so that is why
Yes.
I don't decide to go anywhere.
Okay, that's fair. See, that's also a smart thing to do. I think if everybody realizes that the situation is not under control as far as COVID-19 goes, it'll be a lot
Exactly.
easier for us as a country to get rid of the disease and
Mm-hmm.
function like normal.
Yeah.
But even now, like people go out, if you were to go out to the market, specifically, I live in a place where my the local market is very famous for street food.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, so every time I go out, there are people just walking around without masks on, without sanitizers, just having a gala time, not taking any precaution, not concerned about anything. So, and then I
Yeah,
wondered to
exactly.
myself, and then I wondered to myself that people say, "Oh, the third wave is coming, so we might as well just have fun now," not realizing that
Yeah.
they are the
This
third
is the
wave.
same. This is the same things happening in my state as well.
Okay.
Yeah, they sometimes they think that third wave is coming, so we must just put on the mask and use the sanitizer, and you also wash your hand properly. Yeah, but sometimes they forget each and everything.
Absolutely, they completely forget it. So
Yeah.
when the lockdown opened, right? So I live in Chandigarh, so it's right by
Mm-hmm.
the where Himachal starts, right? So
Yeah.
there was this flood of people wanting to go up hills, and the
Yeah.
roads were jammed. It was a pathetic situation was there. It got to a point where people were sent back from the tall barriers
Mm-hmm.
because everybody just wanted to go up. And it is amazing to me that people can keep saying that the third wave is coming, not realizing that they are causing it.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
So what do you think that is really third wave is just coming and it's all over just fake thing?
So I think that, see, third wave is eventually going to hit because people are not being careful anymore. They
Mm-hmm.
have
Okay.
just see the moment every I've so for the past two lockdowns I've seen this. The moment the lockdown happens, everybody suddenly gets scared. Okay, so the sanitizers will go missing from the market. Everybody
Mm-hmm.
suddenly wants the best of the masks, right? And the moment they lift the lockdown, people forget that the lockdown ever happened. So now they'll go out and there's no sanitizer anymore, there's no mask anymore. So third
Mm-hmm.
wave, so I mean, it could cause an other like wave of the virus.
Okay.
But
All
we'll
right.
see. I'm hoping that it doesn't happen. I really am.
Yeah, exactly. I also think like that. If maybe third wave is coming, then people will face a lot of difficulties again. Okay, and by the way, everything is just going to be very bad. And
Yeah.
I think you must have heard about the school and colleges are just going to be open now.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. So it's a really nice things for all the Indian.
Yeah. 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 But also, if they open them now, the way I see people around, the fact that they don't wear masks anymore, they just refuse to wear masks. I think that opening schools specifically for younger kids will be a problematic situation, because we know kids.
Mhm.
You have to tell them things 50 times for them to listen to it once. So
Once, exactly,
so if the,
exactly.
it
Yeah,
always
yeah, it's
becomes it always becomes that kid was also not wearing a mask, so I also took mine off. Yeah.
okay.
All right,
Okay,
all
ma'am.
right.
So how long? So, ma'am, how long have you been just or teaching here?
I've been here for, hold on, I 4 months now.
4 months now. Okay. So
Yeah.
how just your experience now?
I really like it because it gives me the opportunity of meeting different people and interacting with them, and that is one thing that I come from a psychology background, so
That is
it
why
is.
I just love to join this application, because I also love to meet new people, and I love to just know the culture of different
Yeah, see,
people.
it's nice because here with Clapingo you can join. See, there's not one particular speaker, right? So you can click on anybody. There are a lot of options there. So
Yeah.
it's nice that way. Also, similarly on my end, I get to see all these new learners, people from different states, cities, in different situations, and it's nice because I come from a psychology background. For me, human connection is very important. It is
Exactly.
very important.
Yeah,
Okay.
really.
So with that, we'll just end this conversation, and I'll give you a slight feedback on how you can improve. Okay. So
Sure,
one
ma'am.
thing is that you're very fluent. So kudos to you on that. You speak really well.
Exactly. Thank
Uh,
you.
okay. So, but if you so you told me that you get stuck in longer durations, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So what helped me with this is, I was a debater, okay?
Hmm.
So I also initially, when I started debating, I would get stuck after like say half an hour of talking. I would get
Excuse me, ma'am.
start get Yes.
Excuse me. And did you realize that? Did you realize, really, I have a problem. This the kind of
No,
while just talking.
no.
Okay. All right.
So
Thank you.
you are quite fluent, right? It's just
Hmm.
that you use a lot of what I call connectors. Okay, so connectors means using the word or stopping and saying so basically, essentially, which is fine. It's great to use in an informal format of communication, right?
Okay.
But when you're having a formal communication, you have to start avoiding connectors also.
Hmm.
So, what I want you to do right now is that you talk very fast. All right. So, I
Okay.
want you to slow the pace down a little bit. All
Sure,
right.
ma'am.
So,
I'll do
so,
that.
so do that. Is in fact one way to do that is one. See, you can always join clapping and start talking to different people, right? And talking, and keep in your mind that you need to slow down a little bit. One thing is
Sure.
that. The second thing is when you're reading, right? uh, don't read it fast. Read it out loud, but read it slow, just so you can get used to the slower pace of the English language. Okay, because
Okay.
when you start talking fast, it is obvious that you will start getting tired, and ultimately your brain will also sort of misfunction in one thing, that you might not find the correct word for something. So take
Yeah.
your time in speaking. That's the major thing, that if you do, it'll help you, because so far you were talking really fast, but you were pretty fluent. It's just that the
Thank
connectors
you.
was a problem. So in formal communication, if you slow down also, you will realize that the usage of connectors has decreased.
Yeah, exactly. I also think, ma'am, I need to speak slowly, but I don't know why it's happened while just communicating with the people. Actually, sir, ma'am, why does it happen? I don't
Okay.
realize that.
So I see some people just get used to the habit of talking very quickly, Right.
Mhm.
Initially, I've seen a lot of people who start learning any new language, they will talk very fast because they want to avoid mistakes. So when you
Mhm.
talk fast, some mistakes by the other person will not be noticed. So that is one of the things. Secondly, some people just in general are, fast speakers. But to get used to not using connectors and not getting stuck after you've been talking for a while, it is great if you just go on a slower pace. That is what really helped me in when I was also a very fast speaker. I would talk like this. I would not even breathe in between. Yes.
Yeah.
So that would happen. So I just slowed myself down, and that is one major thing. There is an auto cut feature. We're about to get cut in 2 minutes. So do you have any questions regarding the app or something?
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, I have also problem of pronunciation, because I think that in this time there are a lot of people they are speaking English, but I personally feel that pronunciation matter a lot for communicating.
Yes.
So can you help me in this regarding this matter?
See, pronunciation. So far, you have not really pronounced a word incorrectly. All right. So
All right.
that's because if you had, I would have stopped you and I would have corrected you there and then that this is how you pronounce this word. Okay. So you have
Yeah.
not made that bigger mistake, but the great way to do that is start listening to English content. So movies,
Mhm.
TV shows. All right. And if you're
Yeah.
reading, you come across a new word. Right. So check the pronunciation there and then so that you don't make up a new pronunciation in your own head.
Sure.
Right. And also keep talking to people because if you talk to the more you talk to people, the more chances there are that somebody can catch some word that you're mispronouncing and help you figure out the right pronunciation. All right.
All right.
So that's another thing that you can do. We're
Okay,
just
ma'am.
about to get cut off. All right.
Okay, ma'am. It was
Okay.
great conversation with you, ma'am.
It was good to meet you. Have a great day.
Yeah, have a great day ahead, ma'am. Thank you. All right.
Bye.
Bye. Take care yourself.